Who is that, Nia?
Daddy.
That is my picture.
Yeah.
Oh. Big tummy.
Yeah.
Wow. That is my face. Wow. So handsome, huh? Wow. Big tummy.
Color.
Wow, what is that? What is that?
This is balloon.
That is a what?
Balloons.
Huh?
Balloons.
Balloons. Oh, can you draw your mommy? Can you draw your mommy? Your mommy picture?
I want to draw the sun.
What's that?
Sun.
That is the sun. Wow. That is the sun.
It's the hot.
Hot. Okay. Sun is very hot. Correct. Now you color the sun. Okay. What is the color of the sun?
Yellow.
Yellow. Are you sure?
Yeah.
What else? Can you color my picture?
Okay.
My picture is very ugly. Very big.
It's not.
No, no. Not ugly.
No.
Okay. Can you start color? What is that? What is the circle one? That is a.
Purple.
What is the purple?
You got to draw this.
That is the balloon, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I
I
see.
want to draw blue color.
What is the blue color?
You got the color one.
What is the blue one?
Color.
The blue sky, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
sky.
the blue sky.
Is the blue sky coming now?
Huh?
Is the sun is coming? It's the morning.
That is the morning time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, got a flower or not? Can you draw a flower and a butterfly? Wow.
I want to draw a butterfly like
Yes.
the bird.
Okay, and the bird also. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So, what else? What is that?
Bird.
Bird. What kind of bird? Wow, the bird is flying, right? Wow. Got wings. Oh, what is that? Is that picture of bird, right? Is that picture of bird? Wow. The blue color.
The wings.
Huh?
Blue color.
The wings, the blue color. And the body also. Oh.
Colorful.
What is the color? What is it?
I want to draw a butterfly.
You draw the butterfly. Wow. Very nice. that is the butterfly. Where is your mommy? Nia also?
I draw the dog.
You draw what is that? The dog?
Yeah.
Oh.
Small bird.
What's that?
Small bird.
Small bird. Okay.
Small wing.
I got wings. Hmm.
The blue color.
It's a blue color. Hmm. Can you draw your mommy? Okay.
I want to draw butterfly again.
Butterfly again. Oh. Hmm. That is the butterfly. Oh, so nice. Can you draw your mommy? Your mommy. Now, can I see how is your mommy look like? What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's the ear.
Your mommy, ah?
No, it's not.
No, what is that?
It's the butterfly.
A butterfly. I thought that is your mommy. uh, can you draw your mommy now?
I want to draw the cloud.
What is that?
Cloud.
Cloud?
Yeah.
Oh, that is the cloud. Oh, a blue cloud, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Now draw your mommy. Can you draw your mommy?
Okay.
Hmm.
This is the mommy picture.
That is mom.
Oh, it's not big. It's not big.
It's okay. It's okay. Never mind.
It's not. Mommy, it's wrong.
Wrong one, huh?
Yeah, wrong.
Oh. What's wrong? The mommy is small, right? Okay. Now draw your mommy.
Big head.
A big head. The head is too big, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay, that is your mommy. Hmm.
I had long hair.
What's that? The hair? Long hair?
I want to draw the sun.
Oh, the sun. That is the sun. I thought that is your mommy. Hey, I'm waiting for your mommy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, can you draw your mommy now? I'm waiting for your mommy picture.
Where's the blue artist?
Hmm.
So, ni ba berat keterangan?
Ano galap?
I drew the flower already.
That is the cloud. Oh, the blue cloud. The blue sky.
Yeah, the blue
Sorry,
sky.
the blue sky. Yes.
And then the blue sky is the one where I'm from.
Mm-hmm.
It's the night time and then go to sleep.
That is night time.
Yeah.
Oh, go to sleep. Okay, now I'm waiting for your mommy. Mommy picture.
Yeah.
Can you draw your mommy picture now? Okay, draw your mommy picture now.
I want to draw butterfly.
You want to draw the butterfly. Oh.
And this the cloud.
Why is that so many?
No, it's the morning and then the cloud. This one. You need to come in.
The butterfly is blue in color. Are you sure?
No, it's the cloud.
That is the cloud. Oh, I thought that one is a butterfly. Why does the tree cloud is separate from the other?
Because up.
Oh, the cloud is go up.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Because no butterfly is stop.
Okay. Can you draw my picture?
Okay.
Okay. What is that? What is that?
Butterfly.
Ah, that is a butterfly.
The wings. And then the more wings.
Oh,
And then the wing over here.
so many wings, huh?
Wings. Yeah, so many wings. And then butterfly flying again.
Like, oh, I see.
And then because no have
Yeah, mommy?
wings, I want to have because not touch.
What's that?
Because not touch.
What do you mean by not touch?
Because flower over here, and then it flower, and then the big tongue.
The big tongue?
Yeah.
Oh. What is the big tongue? The butterfly.
Because the butterflies are so hungry.
Oh, the butterfly is so hungry.
Yeah.
Oh. That's why the butterfly got a big tongue.
Yeah.
Oh.
So many wings.
So many wings. Are you sure the butterfly got a many wings?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is the color of butterfly?
Yellow.
Yellow. Not red, ah?
No. I don't have red.
Oh, yeah. That is an orange. That is an orange.
Yeah.
You can use an orange also. An orange and what else?
And the house, and then the big house.
Okay, can you draw a house now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Side.
The other side. There is a house. Oh, the house is like that, ah?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of house?
Blue color.
Okay.
And then it like that one.
Okay. Tell me, what is your name?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel. How old are you?
4 is all.
4 years old. Do you want to go to school now?
No holiday.
Holiday. Who is your teacher?
Teacher Jess, and then Teacher you, and then Teacher Gun, Teacher Amy.
Teacher Jess, Teacher Gun, Teacher you, Teacher Amy. Who else? Who is your friend?
Nathan, and then
Nathan.
so many of my friends.
So many. Oh, so many. One of them is Nathan, huh?
Teddy.
Freddie, Nathan. Who else?
Nothing. Listen.
Listen.
Because the playing.
Oh, who is your best friend?
Nathan only.
Huh?
Nathan.
Ethan is your best friend.
Yeah.
Who is the good teacher?
Because the color angry with me, and then not angry.
What do you mean? Your teacher is angry with you, ah?
You know?
No. Who is your teacher? The best teacher.
Yeah.
Who is?
It's